In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email approval requests in HubSpot 2005 2025. We're going to make sure the right people in your account have the marketing permissions they need so they can use email approval requests without roadblocks. This is quick, but it's important to do it carefully so access stays secure. First, open your browser and head to HubSpot. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account. You'll need to be a super admin or have permission to edit users to follow along. If you don't have that level of access, ask an admin to complete these steps for you. Once you're in, look to the top navigation and click the gear icon. That opens your settings area, which is where all account level controls live. On the left side menu, find and open Users and Teams. This is the hub for who can do what across your portal. Now locate the user who needs to send or manage email approval requests. This might be a marketer who builds campaigns, a reviewer who approves emails, or a manager who oversees both. Click into that user and choose Edit Permissions, taking a moment to double check you've selected the correct user. Now we'll save confusion later. Inside the Permissions editor, switch to the Marketing section. This tab groups everything related to marketing tools, including marketing email. Here, turn on Marketing Access. This toggle is what grants entry to the marketing workspace. Without it, the user won't see marketing email, and they won't be able to request or participate in email approvals. Before you save, quickly review the change. If you use role-based access, confirm this aligns with your team's policy. Granting marketing access doesn't mean giving access to everything in your account. It enables the marketing toolkit so the user can work with emails and approvals. If you're assigning multiple people, it's best practice to repeat this process for each relevant user now, so everyone involved in the approval chain is aligned. When you're ready, click Save. Your changes should take effect right away. If the user already has HubSpot open, ask them to refresh their browser to see the updated access. From here, they'll be able to access the marketing email tool and engage with approval requests according to your team's review process. That's it. You've ensured the necessary marketing access is enabled so your team can use email approval requests smoothly. Keep permissions lean, only grant access to the people who need it, and revisit users and teams periodically as your team grows. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.